Hey, what's happening guys? This is Abhishek and you are watching Gizmo Ground, and today we are going to be unboxing the Boat Airdopes 121 version 2. Yes, these are the version 2 with a LCD display to indicate how much charge is left within the case. So that's a neat little feature. Let's just dive right into it. Okay, so here's the box itself. Okay, let's look at the specs once before we actually unbox this. It has single press voice assistant, which is really neat to have in this price segment. It also has easy access multifunction control with mic. We'll need to figure that out. It also has Bluetooth 5.0 and also seems to have quite a nice bit of charging capabilities. Let's see what's in the box now. So here we have, let's keep this to the side. Here's the actual case for the Boat 121, and I think this little box might house, yep, some extra ear tips, and also I think the charging cable is correct, a really flimsy little charging cable. Apart from that, it's a foam and some paperwork. Pretty basic stuff. Let's just clean this mess up and let's just look at the TWS themselves. Okay, so here are the TWS buds themselves. The case seems to be kind of flimsy. Let's just take one out, see what happens. Does it have any juice? Yes, it's charged up to 95%, so that's a neat little thing. So it comes with micro USB. That's something really disappointing to see in 2020, even if it's a budget pair of TWS. In any case, I'll just use it for a while and give you my first impressions after using it. That's weird. I just saw 95% and now it's down to 86%. Guess I'll have to do some more testing. Anyhow guys, the next clip just keeps dropping, man. Anyhow guys, the next what? This is weird. Wow. Anyhow guys, the next clip you're gonna see is going to be after me testing it for a while. So yeah, cut to next clip. Hey guys, so we are back, and this part of the video is actually shot 2 days after the first part that you saw right now, because it's mainly because it was Diwali in between. I also caught fever, so I wasn't really doing well, so I really wanted to just take a couple of days off and also maybe test these out meanwhile. And I have been using this particular pair of earphones for the past 2 days continuously, and so far so good. Like as far as first impressions go, I mean, the sound quality was decent. The case is a little flimsy at times, especially when it's open up until this point. It's a little flimsy. I don't like it. I want it to be completely closed or open. And apart from that, the primary issue that I would say that I have with these earphones as of now is the connectivity. Now, hear me out. The connectivity isn't really bad all the time. It's just that intermittently it keeps disconnecting for maybe a fraction of a second between between the master and the sleeve, and it really does affect your listening experience. I don't know if it's the problem with my particular pair or is this a problem with this model itself. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna get a replacement of this unit, and before the final review I'll actually be using the replaced unit that I get with this, and I'll be able to give you guys a complete review of whether there's a problem with this unit or the model itself. So yeah, apart from that, everything is, I really like the fit, I really like the aesthetics, and I also really like the fact that you can actually as you can see the charging indicator. Okay, it just went off because it's at 0%. And also the battery, to my surprise, longer than I actually expected it originally. It lasted for almost 2 days, intermittently using these earphones either in mono or in stereo setup. So yeah, you also have that option, which I actually don't have with my OnePlus Bullets Wireless E, since they are that neckband type earphones. So yeah, let me get the replacement unit in my hand, and I'll test these out again, and I'll come up with a final review in, let's say, a week or two maybe. Okay, until then, thanks for watching this one, guys. Stay safe, take care.